Next steps. Transforming semiconductor manufacturing through Six Sigma excellence is not just an ideal, it's a proven path to measurable impact. By implementing Six Sigma methodologies, the industry has achieved a remarkable 85% reduction in defects. This translates directly into fewer product failures, less rework, and more consistent performance. The financial impact is equally compelling, with industry-wide savings reaching an impressive $8.2 billion. These savings stem from optimized processes, improved equipment efficiency, and minimized waste. Six Sigma also leads to outstanding quality outcomes. Companies have achieved a 99.7% rate of quality compliance. This level of precision ensures reliability and builds customer trust. Additionally, yield improvements of 95% underscore how better processes enhance production output. Perhaps most strikingly, the average return on investment for Six Sigma projects in semiconductor manufacturing stands at 450%, demonstrating not just value, but transformational business success. Next steps. Six Sigma excellence drives the next wave of transformation in semiconductor manufacturing. Quality excellence begins with systematic defect reduction. The DMAIC methodology, define, measure, analyze, improve, and control, ensures consistent, data-driven outcomes. By eliminating guesswork, data-driven decisions boost confidence and accuracy in every stage. Six Sigma's 3.4 defects per million opportunities standard sets a high bar for precision and reliability. On the operations side, process optimization is essential. Cycle times can be reduced by up to 60%, equipment utilization is maximized, and waste is cut across all functions, delivering greater throughput and leaner manufacturing. Cost optimization is equally critical. With an average ROI of 450%, Six Sigma enables cost avoidance through prevention, and resource optimization ensures maximum value from existing assets. Future innovation rounds out the strategy, with AI, machine learning, predictive analytics, and Industry 4.0 integration paving the way for long-term technological competitiveness. Next steps. Successful Six Sigma implementation begins with a clear roadmap. The first step is assessment and planning. This involves analyzing the current state of operations and defining specific, measurable goals. A thorough understanding of baseline performance is essential to identify gaps and set improvement targets. Next is team training and setup, where capability and infrastructure are built. Teams are trained on Six Sigma principles, tools, and the DMAIC methodology to ensure consistent execution. The third step is the pilot project launch. This is where theory becomes practice, executing DMAIC within a targeted process to demonstrate impact. Lessons learned here guide broader rollout. Finally, in scale and sustain, the improvements are expanded across the organization to create lasting transformation. Companies that follow this roadmap and seek expert support have consistently achieved breakthrough results. Now is the time to start your Six Sigma journey and drive measurable impact.